English, Grade 7.
Tape script 2.6.1.
Yeah, Linda is coming. She's from the UK. She is visiting me soon.
Wow, lucky you. Let's have a party at school.
Excellent idea, Sopal. Let's ask Mr. Sawan. Hi, Mr. Sawan. My friend is visiting me. Can we have a party at school, please?
I'm sorry, Bopan. You can't have a party at school.
Oh, may I bring my friend to school?
Sure, you may.
Don't worry, Papa. I know where we can have a party.
Yes, yes, yes! You can have a party at my house!
Tape script 2.6.2.
Can we have a party at school, please? Can we have a party at school, please? May I bring my friend with me? May I bring my friend with me?
Yes, you can. Yes, you can. No, you can't. No, you can't. Yes, you may. Yes, you may. No, you may not. No, you may not.
Tape script 2.6.3.
Boat racing. Boat racing. Fireworks. Fireworks. Celebration. Celebration.
Tape script 2.6.4.
Mom, may I watch TV, please?
Yes, you may.
Mom, can I hang out with my friends?
Yes, you can.
Mom, can we have dinner now?
No, we can't.
Mom, may we use the computer?
No, you may not.
Mom, can we go swim in the river?
Yes, you can.